Hey there, Sana here from Unique Zone Real Estate back again, and today I have something massive to share with you guys. Are you ready? Dubai just smashed records with $117 billion in real estate deals in the first half of 2025 alone. Yes, you heard it right, 117 billion USD. So the big question is, what does this mean for you as an investor or an aspiring property owner? Is it too late to jump in? No, you're right on time. Let's break it down for you. Let's put this into perspective. This 117 figure dollar is a highest H1 ever in Dubai's real estate history. Why is it happening? Because the investors across the world are seeing Dubai for what it truly is, a safe, stable, high returns market with zero property tax and unmatched global connectivity. Foreign buyers now make nearly 60% of all transactions, and they are not just buying, they are building their future here. So why shouldn't you? This momentum tells us one thing: Dubai isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. And when the big money moves like this, it's time to follow it smartly. Alright, so where's all this money going? Hot zones like Dubai Hills, Downtown, JVC, Dubai South, and even outlying gems like the Mac Lagoons are seeing explosive growth. Why? Because of things like high rental yields. We are talking about 7 to 9% net, affordable entry points starting as low as 6,50,000 dirhams, long-term residency perks, and developers backed payment plans, and the global demand that's driving up prices month after month. So here's the real deal: invest now and you ride the wave with capital appreciation plus rental income. Wait too long and you may just be buying at peak price. Now you might be wondering, is this market only for millionaires or big developers? Absolutely not. Whether you are a first-time buyer looking for a smart starter apartment, a seasoned investor chasing strong returns, or an overseas buyer planning for a second home or golden visa, Dubai has got room for you. With flexible payment plans, no property tax, and a government that supports foreign investments, you are stepping into a system that's built on your success. And yes, even with $117 billion already in, there's still time for you to get in early on key developments. Markets move fast, and in Dubai, they move blazingly fast. Developers are already revising price upwards. Investors in top zones shrinking, but also the beauty of it, the sooner you act, the more you gain. This $117 billion milestone isn't the end, it's just the beginning of the next bull run. The question is, will you ride it or watch it go by? Let's help you make the move while the movement is hot. Whether you want capital growth, rental returns, or a new life in Dubai, we have got you perfect property waiting for you. Click the link, WhatsApp us, or visit our office and let Unique Zone Real Estate help you turn these numbers into your next big win. Don't wait, invest smart, invest in Dubai. See you in the next video.